Security doesn't fail all at once. It fails in brief, critical moments. A wall is marked before anyone has time to react. A lock is forced in the quiet moments before anyone even notices. A perimeter is crossed without a single alarm stopping it. It's not about being reactive, it's about being proactive. VMS flags an unauthorized presence. A drone is dispatched instantly. Live feed provides immediate confirmation, verified, recorded, and actionable. A perimeter sensor triggers an alarm. FlytBase dispatches a drone. The breach is visible in seconds before anyone on the ground has moved. When an unauthorized drone enters the airspace, the SynHive detection system sends an immediate alert to FlytBase, pinpointing the intruder's exact coordinates, altitude, and location on the map. With one command, a friendly drone dispatches from the dock and proceeds directly to the intruder's position. No manual tracking, no guesswork. The threat is identified, the response is immediate. On patrol, the drone reacts instantly. The moment something's detected, it's overhead, visible, recording, and alerting. When the last guard clocks out, the drone clocks in. Autonomous patrols run through the night, covering every corner and access point without anyone on site.